We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover, XX large, in construction velvet. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help other viewers make informed decisions. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover is marketed as a multifunctional storage and seating solution for kids and toddlers' rooms. It is designed to tackle the common issue of stuffed animal clutter by transforming plush toys, pillows, or blankets into the filling for a beanbag chair. This approach not only helps organize a child's room, but also provides a cozy and engaging spot for sitting, reading, or playing. The cover itself is made from luxury velvet fabric, double-stitched for enhanced durability. According to the manufacturer, this tightly woven velvet provides excellent resistance to wear and tear, giving it more structure than many standard beanbag chairs. The XX large size measures 35 inches in diameter and 24 inches in height, and it is advertised to hold up to 100 small stuffed animals, making it suitable for families with large plush collections. From the wealth of reviews collected, it is clear that the product has resonated with a significant number of parents and children. Many users highlight the inventive concept behind the chair. Parents appreciate being able to reclaim floor space in their children's rooms by consolidating plush toys into a single, tidy, and functional piece of furniture. Several reviewers note that their children, both sons and daughters, have enjoyed the process of filling the chair and using it as a seat or play area. The velvet texture is repeatedly described as soft and comfortable, contributing to the chair's appeal as a cozy reading or lounging spot. The sturdy handle on the top of the cover is another frequently praised feature, making it easy for both adults and children to move the chair around the room. This is especially important given the cumulative weight of dozens of stuffed animals inside. The zipper is also noted for its durability, standing up to repeated use as children access their toys or parents adjust the chair's contents. The chair's large capacity is a standout advantage. Multiple reviewers mention being able to fit 30 or more plush toys with room to spare, and some even use the chair to store blankets or spare bedding. The product's versatility extends to its role as both storage and seating, with some children using it as a crash pad for play or a comfortable spot for reading. The vibrant construction theme print is also a hit, adding a fun and decorative element to the room. The durable fabric and strong stitching are frequently cited as evidence of good build quality, with several users remarking that the chair has held up well over time, even with rough play. Ease of use is another major positive. Parents appreciate that the chair is simple to fill and empty, making it easy to access specific toys or clean up after playtime. The machine washable cover is a practical bonus, especially for households with young children. Some users have purchased multiple chairs for different children in the family, underscoring the product's popularity and perceived value. The chair's ability to double as a travel accessory, thanks to its handle and lightweight design, is also mentioned as a plus. However, not all feedback is positive. A recurring theme among dissatisfied customers is the realization that the product is a cover only, with no filling included. Some buyers express disappointment that they must supply their own stuffed animals, pillows, or blankets to achieve the desired beanbag effect. For those without an abundance of plush toys, this can mean additional expense or less comfortable seating experience. A few reviewers note that the chair is not as comfortable as traditional beanbag chairs, especially when filled with blankets rather than plush toys. There are also complaints about the return policy, with some users frustrated by the inability to return the product after purchase. This has led to a sense of dissatisfaction for those who felt the product did not meet their expectations or who misunderstood the nature of the item. Another minor criticism is the challenge of achieving a uniform, cushioned feel when the chair is filled with irregularly shaped items. Some children reportedly do not use the chair as much as anticipated, either because it is less comfortable than expected or because the novelty wears off. There are also isolated comments about difficulty matching the chair's color to other room decor, particularly when ordering complementary items from different brands. Despite these drawbacks, the overall sentiment remains strongly positive. The chair's ability to declutter a child's room, provide additional seating, and engage children in organizing their own space is repeatedly praised. Its large capacity, soft velvet material, and sturdy construction make it a favorite among families with young children. The product's 4.2 out of 5-star rating, based on over 9,500 reviews, reflects a high level of customer satisfaction. Its ranking as a top seller in the category of kids' beanbag chairs further supports its popularity. In terms of durability, the double-stitched velvet fabric is frequently cited as a key strength. Parents report that the chair withstands daily use, roughhousing, and frequent opening and closing without showing significant wear. The zipper is robust and easy for children to use, and the handle remains securely attached even when the chair is heavily loaded. The machine washable cover adds to the product's longevity, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. The large size means that the chair can accommodate a growing collection of toys or be repurposed for different storage needs over time. The chair's design is both practical and appealing. The construction theme print is especially popular with young children, and the overall aesthetic is described as stylish and fun. The chair fits well in a variety of room decors, and its neutral shape allows it to blend in with other furniture. The ability to choose from different patterns adds a level of customization that many parents appreciate. The product is also marketed as a great gift idea for children, teens, and even adults who need extra storage or seating. Its suitability for birthdays, holidays, and other special occasions is mentioned by several reviewers. Parents who have purchased multiple chairs for siblings note that the product helps teach children about organization and responsibility. By giving each child their own chair, families can encourage kids to keep their toys tidy and take ownership of their space. The interactive nature of filling and emptying the chair adds an element of fun to the process, making cleanup less of a chore. The chair's versatility extends beyond stuffed animals, with some users storing seasonal clothing, extra bedding, or even laundry inside. This adaptability increases the product's value and makes it a practical addition to any household with limited storage space. While most feedback is positive, it is important for potential buyers to understand that the product is a cover only and does not include filling. Those with large collections of plush toys will find the chair most useful, while others may need to supplement with pillows or blankets. The chair's comfort level depends largely on the type and amount of filling used, and some experimentation may be necessary to achieve the desired feel. The return policy is another consideration, as some users have found it difficult to return the product if it does not meet their needs. Buyers are encouraged to review the return policy carefully before purchasing. In summary, the Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover offers a creative and effective solution to the problem of stuffed animal clutter. Its combination of storage and seating, durable construction, and appealing design make it a favorite among families with young children. The chair's large capacity, soft velvet material, and easy-to-use features are consistently praised by users. While there are some drawbacks, such as the need to provide your own filling and a restrictive return policy, the overall value and functionality of the product are clear. For families looking to organize their children's rooms, create additional seating, and engage kids in the process, this beanbag chair cover is a highly recommended option. Please remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel. And if you own this item, leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed choice.